Hey, I'm Sean, and I'm here to tell you all about the questions that were on the Google Doc that you posted. Like, you know what those are. You posted it. You did. That was you, John Arbuckle. So, I'm here all to talk about first question. How do how do valence electrons affect the chemical bonds? We all know the answer, don't we? Let's well, you see they affect chemical bonds by making the atoms different. You know that. Yeah. John. 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 You know that. I did that one. Moving on to question 2. One sec. We all want to know what an ionic bond is, but we don't all know what it is. That's where I come in. I, Sean, I'm going to tell John, the man watching this video. Shoutouts to John, by the way. That was not a Nazi salute. An ionic bond is like, let's say that this frog is an atom. And it has its own electrons and such. And this frog is an atom. It's going to yoink this frog's atoms. And then that's ionic bonding. With an example. But hey, what if you want to know what a covalent bond is? Well, I really do. I really want to know. My parents never told me. But I know now. Because of the magic wonder of chemistry class. And not Google, John. One sec. Yes, of course. It was so obvious. Even Garfield could tell us. Speaking of Garfield. Garfield's going to tell us what a covalent bond is. Let's say this frog is an atom. And this frog. John. Well, this frog's going to be what? This frog has atoms and electrons. And so does this one. And they're going to share their electrons because they're both really poor. And they need to get out of the ghetto because everyone around them does meth. Please. But hey, what if you want to know how periodic trends affect bonding? Well, luckily, we've got a special guest. Crazy Frog is going to tell us all about how periodic trends affect bonding. Look deep into his eyes, John. Look at him. And there you have it, folks. They affect it because of how the atoms are arranged, signifying what they do. Science, John.